lofty, windy day. It was a windy day in the park. Thomas bring Lofty building a library. Oh, this wind ripped out my arm. Soon, the pack where Jack and his friend are. But Lofty Cranon didn't like the wind. Then there was trouble. Lofty wind blow over and Lofty, are you alright? I think so. Did I hurt anything? No, you hit the shed. So Thomas take Lofty back to the yard to fix him up. I hope I hurt something. It's not your fault, said Miss Jenny. It was the wind blow you. Don't worry, Lofty. We can take you back. Yeah. Oh, okay. That night, when Lofty getting repaired, he's a bit worried. He won't be doing a good job of the job. Then Miss Jenny came by. Lofty, we need your help. Oh, why? Travis nearly gonna fall down the bridge. Anyone need me? No, you're the only hope. Okay. Travis was hanging the edge. Are you right, Travis? Said Miss Jenny. No, but I need her. Soon, Lofty couple Travis' trailer, and now Lofty gonna. What's wrong, Lofty? Said Travis. Oh, I can't do it. And now, Miss Jenny. Lofty. You could do a Lofty. Lofty used all his courage and and save track. Hooray, Lofty! You did it! Oh, thank you. And Lofty got his courage back. And then Thomas the Lofty the end.